You think we're gonna get in trouble for this?
Looks like Mama's decorating for Halloween already.
Yeah. You know how serious she is about decorating.
Growing up in Possum Kingdom, decorating for holidays was always a big tradition. And my mom was always big into that.
We usually do a big Halloween party for the kids, and it usually takes days to decorate because we decorate a lot.
What you doing with that?
Trying to fix it for the kids. Ow!
We're being a scissors.
Dang, that hurt.
Hey, let me see that thing.
You better be careful, you're gonna put your eye out.
What you talking about? I can use one of these in my sleep. You see that metal bowl over there?
Yeah.
Watch this.
Oh my God. That's based on a true story. Let me show you how that's done. Uh-oh.
Oh, Mama, Cody shot your pumpkin! Them boys is in a heap of trouble. Mama, no, I didn't do it!
Ooh.
It was Cody, I
You don't mess with my pumpkins. I don't mind getting them with a fly swatter.
didn't do it. Did she go? I think so.
Hey, that gave me an idea.
Okay.
Let's go. Alright, so to make up for shooting Mama's pumpkin, we're going to carve her a new one with these.
For shooting Mama's pumpkins, you're telling me we're going to shoot more of Mama's pumpkins to make up for it.
Yes.
So for you shooting Mama's pumpkin, we're going to shoot another pumpkin of hers with those. My brother has come up with some dumb ideas in the past, but this one's genius.
Ain't that sweet, them boys out there carving them pumpkins.
Where you going with that gun?
I'm gonna go build some character.
I'm going to shoot the stem off that thing. Hey, now that ain't right. How's that fair?
I never said it was fair, but I'm gonna win.
You got it. That don't look like a face though.
Hey look, we did make a face.
You think we're gonna get in trouble for this?
Apostle Paul said when he become a man, he put childish things away.
Well, you didn't think you could hit it?
I can hit the pumpkin. How much you want to bet that I can put more teeth in it?
It's time for these boys to have a Sunday school lesson.
All right. If I win,
Better luck next year, boys.
What are y'all doing to my pumpkins?
Never know it was them boys' fault.
ka-tow!
Next time on Possum Kingdom Proper.
What if Papa goes to Starbucks?
Yes, I am not going to Starbucks with all them man bun wearing hipsters. This is life changing.